Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you are in the correct business account. This is the main workspace where you can manage your content, performance, and reporting. If you have access to multiple accounts, it is a good idea to quickly confirm that you are viewing the right one before exporting anything, so the data you download matches what you need. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Insights. This area contains the reporting and performance data for your business content. It is where Meta organizes key metrics, trends, and summaries that can help you review activity over a selected time period. After opening Insights, go to the left navigation again and click on Overview under the Content section. This takes you to the Content Summary view, where you can review performance information in one place. This page is also where the export option can be found, so it is the correct destination if you want to download a report. Next, scroll down through the page and look for the export option. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little farther to see it clearly. Take a moment here to make sure you are on the correct summary page before moving forward. Before exporting, go to the top right of the page and set the date range. This step is important because the file you download will reflect the time period you choose. If you are preparing a weekly, monthly, or custom report, double-check those dates carefully to avoid having to repeat the export. Once the date range is set, click on Export. This will open the export choices available for the content summary data you are viewing. If the option does not appear right away, give the page a second to load and then try again. Finally, select Sample File to export. After you choose it, Meta Business Suite will begin preparing the file for download. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked where to save it. It can be helpful to save the file in a clearly named folder so it is easy to find later. And that's it. You have successfully exported data from Meta Business Suite.